Okay, let's carry on with this strip out. We don't need this, so it can go like that. Whooshka! Don't need that one. Get. Next on the list, we don't need these. So what I'll be doing here is I've got smart wastes going into there, so I'll cut out my hole. Look at this paint. That's shit, eh? So I'll cut a nice square hole that'll accommodate my square waste, my smart waste. I don't need to screed this floor. That's got a nice fall. I'll go straight over the top of these tiles. I might take that sill out so it's not a high step, so I may have to just trim the door. This water stop is up above the tile, which is good. So now I need to, that's why I don't need to take these up, because you don't take up what you don't have to. They're full on solid. These tiles are full on solid. I'll be cutting out my hole bigger to accommodate the smart waste and waterproofing the whole caboodle. Taking that wall off, or those tiles off. I might have to strip off the whole sheet. In here I'm putting a nice big niche in there. This is all going, so I'm going to strip that out shortly. So this one's working out well, just like the bathroom did. This toilet goes, but the plumber can take that out. Where's my hammer, Charlie? I'm so wrapped with that mirror though, I tell you. I thought, oh boy, if it breaks I could be in trouble. That's why I was wearing my jacket. Because you have a big hunk of mirror fall on your arm, well, not even worth thinking about. So, we won't. Okay, I'm going to take off these fittings now. I've got to get an Allen key for this. I'll be right there, just unscrew that. So I'll be back to you shortly. See ya. What's happening here now is I've taken these fittings off. They came off easy peasy. Everything's going brilliantly on this strip out. Okay, so these are even coming off pretty good. So what I'll end up doing is I don't think it'll be any quicker me cutting the whole sheet out and all that jazz. If they keep coming off like this, I'll just peel them off. See how nothing sticks to dust? That's why I always prime. A strip of Mosaic's old hat now, and it was 10 years ago when this bathroom was done. It's old now, out of date. Things go out of date on the Gold Coast of Australia fairly quick. Oh, nice. No, I don't mind spending an hour and a half, 2 hours taking this off. By the time I went down and get a couple of sheets, cut it, pull it, I've still got to pull it off. I'll have all this off. I can go straight over that. Beauty boy. Okay, we'll see you soon.